Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a brand new motovlog. Hopefully everything's recording. I actually recorded this motovlog before. Yeah, let's just say I recorded the ground and it was not that nice of footage, so I'm redoing it. Now the point of that video was that I was gonna check my range in real life, but I was pretty disappointed because after 16 kilometers I just stopped. I went 16 kilometers, so I had 32 kilometers of real range. It was on 50%, so I had to turn back after 16 kilometers, which is a maximum of 30 total range, because at 5% it just won't go faster than like 20 kilometers an hour and stuff. Today also I'm visited by my friend Steven. Hello.
Hello. You were talking, yes?
Yes. Oh yes, yes. He bought his moped, which is basically a really small cc motorcycle. I think it was yesterday or the day before. I went with him on the 100-kilometer trip to get it. Yeah, it's totally stock. It's a Derby DRD Evo, I think. And I really like it, actually. I already drove it. If you want to see a motovlog, for me that's driving a petrol bike, then let me know, because it's a fun little thing. I didn't drive for like a month because of my broken shoulder. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. But yeah, in the meanwhile, I decorated my wheels with reflective like stickers. Yeah, I also have a sticker of my channel on the side, which is also reflective. But I am good. But yeah, we're on our way to a motorcycle store where my friend Steven is gonna buy himself some gloves, because now he's just wearing winter gloves. And we have to go past our school, which is closed because of the coronavirus, as basically every school in my country right now. So that's gonna be weird to drive past it. I could make that, he couldn't. Because it's stock and it's 50cc, I easily win with like a drag race until like 50 kilometers. Anyway, so what was I talking about? Oh yeah, my battery. Talking about battery, I called with them, so I'm gonna get a new battery. And I'm probably gonna make my own second battery, which is gonna have like double the range of a regular battery, which is 4 times the range of my broken battery that I have in here right now. Basically, I just found out is broken, right? Yeah, a friend of mine, M.2 on YouTube, he made some videos on how he modded his Super Soco with like a controller, a different battery pack. So he puts out way more power than stock. Sorry, I just wanted to take those corners like a MotoGP rider. But yeah, those are very nice videos. Also, I might get new tires, because a lot of people are slipping and sliding with the Chinese rubber tires. And another friend of mine, XP Cam on YouTube, he has a video of him sliding on a roundabout. Woohoo! And you can check that video out. I think Dan the Fireman, which is a big motorcycle channel, is or has reviewed that video of his, as well as another big motorcycle channel, and probably more, but I haven't checked the comments in a while of that video. But yeah, it was not that fast, but he slipped pretty damn hard, so it looked kind of painful, and his bike did have a substantial amount of damage. Not too bad, but it was not nothing, let's just say that. And now you can see his bike. But yeah, so those are basically the future mods. Next to a train station, hell yeah.
Wat gebeurt er nu in de school allemaal?
Op dit moment weinig.
Helemaal niks.
Gewoon administratieding. Let's go to the motorcycle store. Yeah. And we've been there once, and I know for a fact that they have zeros. So we're gonna take a look. The roads are so empty, it's so weird in a way. Oh, drag race. Oh! Ah! Drag race! I leave him in the dust, like always. Then I'll let him pass me, even though it's from the right. And we're here. Look at that. Maybe they're closed. There's a letter on the front, but holy shit, this is motorcycle heaven for me. Ooh, what the hell is this? That looks interesting. Hello. Ooh, zero. More motorcycles. A lot of motorcycles. A lot of good motorcycles. Helmets, jackets, more helmets, shoes, jackets, pants, motorcycles. Look guys, these are electric. Ooh. Let's go.
Het is een motortje, niet? Een brommer.
Een brommer.
Oh, toch.
Elektrisch.
Ja, dat wist ik.
Oh ja.
Ik had hem wel eens gezien, maar
Lachen hè?
ja, een klein ding.
Daarom vind ik het ook zo grappig om binnen staan die zero's natuurlijk, weet je. Dit is het kleine broertje zeg maar, weet je wel. Ze rijdt wel heel eng. Holy shit. Okay, we're going to our main practice spot. And he knows the way, so I'm gonna let him go first. And then we pull up and actually pass him because his goes 50 or something and mine goes pretty fast. If you want a video on simple practicing stuff with like cones and shit, we recorded that actually. I'll show you a little bit of footage right now, like zigzagging, figure eights, etc, etc. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Switching time! Okay, full video coming later. Full video coming later, guys. Full video. What the hell? He doesn't have a window! What the fuck? It's so funny, you can't hear him. Oh man, that thing pulls way faster than this one. Okay, now Steven's gonna be in the lead. I'm just gonna follow him and let's see where this goes and what we stumble upon. Bye. If you want to see a video where a lot of people come to a big event that I host, let us know as well in the comments. That was pretty good. Hello! By the way, the reason why we're not driving in the middle of the road is because in the middle of the road, that's where oil and dirt comes from, like from cars, and that's where their wheels don't actually touch the ground, so that's the dirtiest spot on the asphalt. You don't want to slip like my friend XP can. And if you ride together, ride like this. So the first person goes to the right side of the lane and you go to the left side, so that people who are driving behind us cannot try to pass us, basically. It's struggling. You know, I don't mind that my bike doesn't make sound because at least I can understand other people better, and they can understand me better because I can't understand him above the sound of his bike, even though this bike of his is very quiet as well. Like, why are there so many people here? It's like 11 degrees outside, and with the sun it makes it a little bit more bearable, but the wind definitely sucks. Oh god, it's a bump at 60! I went flying, bro. Oh, is that a police car? I'm gonna take more than 1.5 meters off a distance. Oh, I swear if he comes after me now, bro. No way, he started driving. It smells so bad here. That's because like all the chickens who get slaughtered, that's really close here. So okay, so we're going back to the big asphalt track where I'm thinking of planning a big event, as I said, with motorcycles, mopeds, scooters, basically everything that has like an engine, except cars, of course. Quads, sure, that's fine. I guess the view is not that bad here, you know, with the water and everything. Another train station, of course. Okay, so we're ending the vlog here, kinda. Yeah, we're heading to my home because I have 34% left on the battery, so and yeah, for the rest, leave a like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.